Hi guys, that's the box art for Gryzor. Now, as I commented in my videos, or some of my videos, one of them, which one was it? I don't know. K-Fighter, I think. Anyway, Contra was known as Gryzor in certain arcades, certain countries, certain systems. Commodore 64 being one of them. Also, when they brought out Contra in Australia, it was called Probotector. I've got the NES cartridge here. That's it there. Yeah. And basically it's the exact game. It's Contra. But they made the characters robots. No idea why. I think it was something to do with some family-friendly image. Fucking bullshit. Anyway, fuck that shit. Let's play the Commodore 64 version. It's basically exactly how you know Contra, and they did an awesome version. Transferring from the arcade. First time I played this, I didn't even know what Contra was. I always knew this game as Gryzor. And then someone showed me Contra one day. Have you played Contra? I'm like, no. And they showed it to me, and I'm like, that's Gryzor. And they're like, that's what? And I'm like, that's Gryzor, man. And they're like, what the fuck? So, yeah, I know Contra as Gryzor primarily, but I call it Contra now. Anyway, let's check it out. The only thing that sucks is you got to use the space to do your jumping. So, as you can see, it's pretty much the same. Just crapper graphics. Ah! Come on, give me that gun. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, scatter! Love the music, man. It's really sick. Alright, there we go. I love this. Second part's always my favorite. I love this part, man. Target section 2. I love this shit. Oh, shit! Oh, I accidentally pushed up. Damn it. So as you can see, for a Commodore version, I gotta admit, it's pretty good. Ass, even with the shitty gun, man. Oh, it's hard to use space in this thing, too. Alright, let's see how I do on the, what I call the first boss. Try to get a gun, fucking. But you can see the guns can't fire at the same time. Probably uses too much memory. This gives you a bit of a better chance. Die, 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 die. This game is just so awesome. Fucking love Contra, Gryzor. Yeah. Die! Good shot. Fuck you up. Yeah. Oh, God, that's different. Shit. Oh, come on! Oh, fucking hole! Give me a chance, man. Die. So hard without it, isn't it? There we go. Oh, man. Is that it? That's it. Crap. I wish I could have shown you more of the game. I forgot they put all those, you know, those guys on those shooting horse thingies. I think that's what they are. I don't know. They put them everywhere. So, doesn't make it easy. I'll show you. I'll play the first level again. I'll show you the laser gun. Pretty much the same. Oh, bull fucking shit! Putting that out there now, that was crap. I had the gun, mate. That was crap too. Fuck you. Playing like crap! I hate playing like crap. Fuck off! Oh my god. That was pathetic. I can't believe that's on camera. Now I've got to take all the shit from everyone online. You're shit. You're fucking shit, TMK. Ha! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can't fuck with my laser. Look at that phone. You know, I watched a review on YouTube once of Contra or Gryzor, and the guy said that the laser's like the shittest weapon in the game because of the range. That's bullshit, man. The laser kicks ass. It's got power. Oh, that was skill, mate. There we go. Oh, give me a break. I've got 4 eyes, that's sweet. Maybe I can show you a bit more. If I keep fucking around like that, shit! There's supposed to be a barrier around here. Where's my barrier? Oh, you bastard! Where's my barrier? For those of you who don't know, barrier is... Oh! One more go. You have to jump on the Commodore version. I can't handle it all at once. There we go, finally. Yeah! I'm in! That's the fucking music. Right. Oh, that's it! Oh no, I got more lives. Oh, nothing more. Damn it. So that's Contra. Sorry, not Contra. Gryzor on the Commodore 64. Same game. A little bit harder because you have to use the space to jump. Commodore 64, even though there's 3 buttons on this, it's just one fire button. It's just different positions and that, you know. It would have been a lot better actually if Commodore 64 had 2 buttons, but oh well. for what they use, you know, you do get used to it. But see, I play like shit now. Back in the day, I was a lot better. I had the joystick and the space like right next to each other, timed all my jumps, knew where every die was coming from. You get to know it, you know. So I give Gryzor, Commodore 64, 9 out of 10. Fucking great game. Addictive as hell. One of the greatest games ever made. Thanks for watching.